Hello friends, in this video I'm going to talk about Essential Chrome extension. To start with, go to Chrome Web Store and search for the following extensions. Anydo. This extension helps you remember everything you have to do. So once you have added this extension to your Chrome, it automatically synchronizes with your Gmail account and allows you to remember everything you have to do for a particular day. You can add the task accordingly, and thereafter adding the tasks, you can set the reminder by doing this. Stay focused. This extension helps you in increasing your productivity by limiting the amount of time you can spend on any websites, for example, Facebook. So once you have installed this extension, you can see over the top right corner there is an icon for it. Going over to the settings button, and you can see for example purpose we are setting the time from 10 minutes to say 1 minute. Now opening the website, you would like to track your time. Now clicking on the button, you can start the timer, and thereafter you can see that within a minute, after a minute, this particular website will no longer be accessible. And to again access it, all you need to do is remove an extension or either wait for a day. So after removing the extension, you can access the website. Lazarus. It is a form recovery extension. It autosaves everything you type so you can easily recover from form killing timeouts, crashes, and network errors. Noisily. It improves your focus and boosts your productivity. It blocks out annoying noises and creates the right environment for working or relaxing. Tab Wrangler. It automatically closes idle tabs after designated time and makes it easy to get them back. It helps in managing various tabs at a particular time. Push Bullet. It allows user to share messages, photos, songs, and links that are on different devices. It provides a common platform to share such things with your friends. All you need to do is that install the extension on your Google Chrome. Sign in with your Gmail account. Thereafter, you can link various devices such as your mobile phone. Therefore, you need to install the same app on your mobile device from your App Store. Now you are ready to share everything. HTTPS everywhere. It encrypts the web page, therefore allows you to automatically use HTTPS security on many websites. It reduces chances for your information from being hacked. LastPass. It is a password managing extension which saves your password and gives you secure access from every computer and mobile device. All you need to remember is just one password. Lightshot. It is an easy to use and handy screen capture tool. Once you have added it, all you need to do is select an area and edit it according to your preferences. Once you have edited, you can share it on any social network website, and also you can download it to your computer's drive. Lingually. It is a new and interesting way to learn a new language. Using this extension, you can translate and learn words on web pages. Project NAFA. It is an important extension that allows you to highlight, copy, edit, or translate text from any image file you see on the web. Click and Clean. It is an extension which allows you to delete saved URLs, cache, cookies, and your browsing history instantly with just a single click. Evernote Web Clipper. This extension allows you to save things you see on the web directly into your Evernote account. Panic button. It makes it easier for you to hide all your tabs at once just by clicking on a button. Also, you can just press F4 to hide and restore all your tabs. For example purpose, if you are working on an assignment and suddenly someone arrives, just with a click of a button you can hide all the tabs. And even after you close it and reopen again, with just a button you can see that you can restore all the tabs that were previously opened. Please like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you.